happy are you that you're getting the chance to play?
Well, for me, si Ate Gia po. Kasi, yun nga, she's super experienced siya na setter and I'm excited to be like na maging setter siya sa team namin. And yun nga, nakaka-pressure pero masaya siya, magandang experience siya for me.
Ako po, same din kay Ate Thea. I'm really looking forward na maging setter si Ate Gia. Kasi before, parang nakikita ko lang po siyang nagsiset, ganyan. And then, sobrang ganda niya talaga. I mean, meron talaga siyang connection to each and everyone sa loob. And yun yung pinakagandahan ko. And, you know, makikita mo yung maturity niya inside. Makikita mo yung leadership niya. Kaya gusto ko din siyang makasama. Yung nilook forward ko. And also, yung nilook forward ko din is yung sila Cassie, Nonggalio, si Bella Belen, sila Ate Alay Solomon. Kasi syempre, magkalaban kami sa UAAP. So I really look forward na makalaro sila sa national team and isa yung goal namin.
For me, si Ate Gia Morado. Kasi I've been looking up to her ever since. And sobrang, nakaka-excite din na hindi ko ma-imagine ever na magiging teammate ko pala siya. So, yun, I'm really looking forward to what I'll get to learn from her also and the rest of our athletes na nasa team, yung mga veterans din, kung what I'll get to learn from all of them individually.
Of course, I'm very grateful na nakukulit yung award na yun. But then, at the same time, also sad that our team didn't get back to the finals game. But it's okay. We all have our own time, so
thank you, Thea. To Angel, what can you say? You're moving forward to the next season. You promise that babawi kayo. So, what can you say?
Of course, this season serves as a lesson po talaga and also a wake-up call to us as ladies managers kung ano kami na nakilala. And then, ang sinasabi kong babawi is kakayanan namin lahat ng hirap ng obstacles na dadaanan namin again before mag-start yung season next year at gagawa namin yung paraan para makabalik ulit sa finals.
Okay, what can you say? Juju, what can you say?
Well, of course, at some point medyo nanghihinayang kasi hindi namin naabot yung talagang goal namin this season as a team. Pero again, marami din kasi talaga kaming napagdaanan as a team na challenges, mga paghihirap. It hasn't been easy for all of us. Especially din dito kay Angel. So, ayun. Parang for us, this just serves as motivation talaga for next season to come back stronger.
Okay, thank you. Okay, floor is open for questions.
Ayun sa inyong tatlo na-announce na rin naman na kanina na national team